Welcome to Ayers Rock, a stunning natural wonder located in the Northern Territory of Australia. Discover its rich cultural history, impressive geological formations, and diverse wildlife. Ayers Rock is located in the southern part of the Northern Territory of Australia. Ayers Rock is one of the largest monoliths in the world, with a height of 348 meters, 1,142 feet, and a circumference of 9.4 kilometers, 5.8 miles. It is estimated to be around 600 million years old. The rock's color changes dramatically throughout the day, from a deep red to a rich orange and a soft pink, as a result of the different angles of the sun. Ayers Rock is of great cultural significance to the Ananu people, the traditional custodians of the land on which the rock is located. It is considered a sacred site by the Ananu people. They believe the bodies of their ancestors hardened into rock. The bodies will be there forever and held in peace and power. They request that visitors do not climb the rock or engage in other activities that could damage the site. Ayers Rock is a remnant of the sandstone layer that once covered much of Central Australia, and it is believed to have been formed as a result of uplift and erosion. The area surrounding Ayers Rock is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including spinifex grasses, various species of eucalyptus trees, kangaroos, and other marsupials. The temperature at Uluru can vary greatly, with summer temperatures reaching up to 40 degrees centigrade, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and winter temperatures dropping below freezing, sometimes to 0 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Ayers Rock is one of Australia's most popular tourist destinations, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. Ayers Rock and the surrounding area were declared a national park in 1958 and were later renamed Uluru National Park. That's a wrap on our tour of Ayers Rock. We hope you enjoyed learning about this iconic monolith. Remember to respect the Ananu people's culture and traditions when visiting. Thanks for joining us, until next time.